Okay, let's get into what this thing actually does, because it does a whole lot. So the first thing, it knows you're there. The lid opens automatically when you approach. And there's also a kick to open feature for when your hands are full. I cannot tell you how many times I've walked into the bathroom carrying a bunch of laundry and holding one of the kids and just wished for this exact same thing. A gentle tap will do just right here. The seat is heated, and not just heated, it has adaptive temperature control, which means it adjusts to the seat warmth, the water temperature, and the dryer temperature based on the season and room temperature. In the winter, it's warmer. In the summer, it dials back. You don't have to think about it. As a designer, I love when technology is invisible. The bidet functions are really comprehensive. You've got front wash, rear wash, a child wash mode, which as a mom is amazing. And there's also a gentle mode for sensitive users or elderly family members. I mean, my mom lives with me. She would definitely appreciate these functions as much as I do. Now, the water is filtered through a triple filtration system and sanitized with UVC light. So the water touching you is genuinely clean. The nozzle is stainless steel, which is more durable and hygienic than plastic, and it self-cleans with electrolyzed water after every single use. And the next feature is the one that nobody talks about, but everyone needs. It is the foam shield. First, you need to remove the lid. But because I was activating the motion sensor, the lid kept on opening and closing. It was actually pretty annoying. And then I realized, oh yeah, I can just unplug this thing, but there's also a button where I can just deactivate the sensor. Ingenious. So you want to pour the entire contents of the foam shield inside the ravine, replace the lid, and then you activate the flush. The foam shield technology creates a microfoam barrier to prevent splashes and odors. There's also a dual flush system that supports water conservation with light and flush options, and the X70 features a mechanical backup flush system, allowing the toilet to be manually flushed even during a power outage. Now, if you're telling me that all I need to do is invest in a smart toilet and never have to clean the toilet, my gosh, you guys, let this be the end of me ever washing those spills and splashes ever again. And then there's this, the ambient light. It turns on automatically in the dark, and it can even sync up to the music in your home. Is that absolutely necessary? No. Is my husband gonna love that when we throw parties? Absolutely. He's gonna come in here and think it's like a little club. It's one of those playful moments that is totally unexpected, but totally appreciated.